I can't take her into my home. I don't have space. I have children that I can't commit to that kind of time.
I'm most definitely looking forward to having a closer relationship with my daughter and
Oh
grandchildren.
shit.
I know
You
what
go
you
piss
want.
on this.
Say first, you try to get people you love
Oh
what
my
they
God.
want.
I'm excited to get a new start. And it's much easier to get a new...
Who in the bathroom?
She's not going home, meaning.
What are you doing?
Fly like an overnight letter. Shorty sleep with me, make your overnight sweater better. I'm faded. And tonight I'm gonna get wasted. See to everybody.
What you doing in the bathroom, Marcus? Huh?
He's beautiful, John.